Should I? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen?
That's it. Yes.
Ma'am, look at me. How motivated I was to write for board exam, and then they announced board exam cancelled. My dad is like, "Why are you sad? You didn't even study."
That's correct only, but I don't know how much you put in efforts. I can't say.
That's what I was studying for NEET, ma'am.
Mm.
You're able to record it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's working. So I'll leave it.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Very well. Yeah. Let's do this set of questions.
I forgot
And
to include photosynthesis, but
haha. See that don't I kept telling you since the beginning.
oh, I
I know
revised.
it's
I revised. I revised. I revised.
no,
I
it's not about you
patriotic.
revising. It's just about you practicing mixed set of questions. Keep practicing. At one point of time, no, you will only observe that many questions are actually repetitive.
Hmm.
So it's just that it's not about how much effort you put in learning or remembering, but whenever you're learning or doing some questions, make sure you're learning from them. Just don't do it for the sake of testing your knowledge. That is a wrong way of studying. Don't do that.
Hmm.
So if you are you suppose say you wrote 90 questions today, there might be questions which you don't know in it. Take the effort to go through the questions and then the options also, just read them and try and understand the concept behind it. Trust me, the next time, you might actually be knowing some things, but when it comes as questions, it becomes very difficult to answer. That
Hmm.
happens not only with concept questions, that happens even with see, now you might go and learn Plant Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, the examples and everything, but what happens is when it is asked as question, you might not be able to answer. So the best way to study those chapters is don't study in with the theory. Practice a lot of questions based on those chapters. That's the best way of learning it right now. Yes,
Hmm.
because you don't have time studying the theory, then I will answer and all will not work out. So right now, what you need to do is as and when you get like new questions, keep learning from the question, make it a habit.
Hmm.
Okay, practice like that. Stop thinking that I have to learn this many, I will learn it later on. Won't work at all. It won't work that method, I tell you. Since I prepared, I am telling you this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the questions immediately. First one.
Ma'am, first one. Let's go. With
Why
reference.
do I hear a very hard breath there? Ah, ma'am, let's go.
Yeah, ma'am, because depression came.
Are you paranoid by this chapter?
No, ma'am, I'm just depressed because biology I thought will be very easy. So very hard.
It's not hard. It's just the way you're answering. Don't put this thing that it is hard into your mind. I was very happy about your positive attitude till now. Keep that up. Please
My,
don't get this.
my dad is like, keep that positive attitude up. Like that only after getting medical seat also, he's like, it's fine next year means I'll slap you. He don't.
No, and I say positive attitude up as in you had this confidence that you will do it.
That's what, ma'am. I will, ma'am. If I don't get, who will get? That's what.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, don't go thinking that it's
Pooja,
hard.
ma'am,
It's not
student.
hard.
I just know I'll get.
Ah, yeah, yeah, right. Yes,
I'm
I
Pooja,
know.
ma'am,
I
student.
know you will get. If you don't get, who will get? No.
That's what. I
Ah,
have to
that's what.
become doctor. It's written on my head, means I'll become. That's all.
Now let's read the first question. Come on.
with reference with reference to factors affecting rate of photosynthesis, which
Hmm,
of the statements is not correct?
not correct. Okay. Ah, என்ன சொல்றாங்க?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Mm.
A second statement is not correct.
No, gonna give me the reason also why it is
So
not.
C3 plants will always respond to lower temperature, higher carbon dioxide concentration. No.
Mm,
C4 plants will respond to higher temperature, higher oxygen concentration.
excellent. I'm proud of you, my boy.
I didn't even read the third and fourth. I saw second and I was like, I read first one. I didn't know that 0.05% and all statistics. I
Oh,
didn't. I knew
mm.
tomato is a greenhouse crop.
Good. That was a good decision because generally, if someone who has studied this chapter and is just looking at the question, they'll think that where did we learn all this
Yeah,
greenhouse crop
statistics.
and all this stuff.
That's what. Even the last statistic, like that statistics is like so
Yes.
confusing.
I am proud of you that you actually focused on what we studied. Good. Keep it up.
That's what.
That's what is needed.
Phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary CO2 acceptor. PEP.
PEP. Which one?
RUBP is primary carbon dioxide acceptor at CU plants, C3 plants.
Which one is C3 plants?
RUBP.
Correct.
PEP is in C4 plants.
Mm.
Correct, no? Sorry.
Correct only.
Correct. Ma'am, C2 plants are what? I forgot.
C2 plants, the first
Did we
product
even
is
learn?
carbon. Yeah, of course. You remember, we learned that, in 3 different organelles, the
No, that is
function will happen.
C2. That is C2.
That is C2, the
Peroxisome,
peroxisome.
mitochondria, chloroplast.
Yeah, that is C2.
In that, which is primary, ma'am, acceptor?
In C2,
Hmm.
oh, damn. Once again.
That's what I think. PEP is C2 only.
No. C3. This answer is C4. PEP is
Correct,
C4.
correct only I told. No, C3 is
Yeah,
RUBP. C4
yeah.
is PEP. But C2 is what, ma'am?
C2 plants first acceptor. I forgot. Let me just have a look at it. That is also it's not given in the textbook. Yeah, so in that it will be PGA.
Phosphoglyceraldehyde.
Yes, phosphoglyceride. Actually, wait, the process should start in chloroplast. No. So, yeah, it should be PG only. See, here actually what is happening in C2 pathway, no. Your RUBP is going to combine with oxygen. Okay. And once it combines with oxygen, it is going to form phosphoglycolate and phosphoglycerate. That phosphoglycolate is going to go around and form this one. So you can't say PGA is the carbon dioxide acceptor. Technically, the Calvin cycle is happening in the with the help of your PGA only. No, so you can say it has RUBP as a primary acceptor. Okay. No, wait, not RUBP. I mean PGA as a primary acceptor of carbon.
NU.
Well, yeah. So, tell me what is C2 pathway?
Ma'am, 3 steps are there. No.
Yes, what happens in C2 pathway?
First, C2 pathway happens in plants that undergo photorespiration. No.
Correct. Exactly.
Photorespiration,
So,
as in oxygen concentration is more.
yeah. So what happens is that here the plant will
It's
try
2
to
carbon less. So for that, it undergoes C2 pathway. It's 2 carbon less to form glucose.
the phosphoglycolate will undergo further steps and then it will form PGA. And PGA is again going to undergo the Calvin cycle in the chloroplast.
And then
So
some PGE undergoes Calvin cycle, some will go back to this thing. No.
What happens? Where it goes back? That is what.
Regeneration.
PGA will end up eventually forming again Rubisco. So that's going to continue like a cycle. So that PGA is the one where the carbon dioxide is accepted. Acceptor. So you can say that actually here also it is going to be RUBP only instead of PGA,
Hmm.
because PGA will anyway undergo Calvin cycle again, yes or no,
Hmm.
and form RUBP, and RUBP is going to again combine with carbon dioxide, and that cycle is going to anyway happen.
Hmm.
So here also in C2 also it will be RUBP only,
Hmm.
but only in C4 the one who's accepting the carbon dioxide changes, which is
Hmm.
phosphoenol pyruvate, which is correct.
Hmm.
Okay, what is the third one?
Third one.
Hmm.
The process which makes major difference between C4 and C3 plant. Photorespiration. Oh, sorry. C4.
Hmm.
C2 is photorespiration.
Hmm.
C4 is Calvin cycle.
Hmm.
Correct? No?
Hmm. So what's the answer? What's the major one that is making a
Calvin
difference
cycle.
in them? Hey, what are you saying? What the question is that what is the major difference between C3 and C4? In C3 and C4, both the cases Calvin cycle will happen. But
Hmm.
why does plants undergo C4? It is to avoid photorespiration.
Yeah, so photorespiration.
Yes, so answer is photorespiration.
But C2 plants will undergo photorespiration.
C2 plants will undergo photorespiration, yes. But C4 plants will make sure that photorespiration doesn't happen by the
Hmm.
Kranz anatomy.
Ooh, that modified parts. Trans anatomy is modified parts, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
They are modified, no, to prevent that C2 pathway.
Correct, correct. Yeah, the bundle sheath and all those things, you remember?
Ma'am, yeah. It is, this thing is around the bundle sheath, no, something you're told. The number of this thing is more, bundle sheath is more than mesophyll cell.
No, no, no. That is not the case. In Kranz anatomy, what happens is that the rubisco is present in the chloroplast present in the bundle sheath and not the mesophyll cells.
Mesophyll cell.
This way, what will happen? The photorespiration is
As soon as
avoided.
light falls, it'll happen off.
Yeah, as soon as light falls. No,
I
no.
mean, it won't happen so quick because it'll be inside.
Yeah, because the rubisco is basically, protected from the oxygen.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what the concept is in C4. But both of them take like a Calvin cycle happens. Next one.
Water vapor comes out of plant leaf through stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant through the photosynthesis. Reason out the above statement using one of the following option.
What is the answer? When water vapor comes out from the plant leaf through stomatal opening, through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. Reason out the above statement using one of the following options. What is the answer?
First one is wrong.
Okay.
Plants can lose water during the day also. That carbon dioxide diffusion takes place in the night only.
Not necessarily.
No, it diffuses into the plant. No. It comes out of the plant in the night time. No, ma'am. That's why they tell don't sleep under the plant.
Again, not necessary. It's not necessary.
Okay, ma'am.
that
It is not first option. It is not first option.
Correct. It's
It is
not
not
first.
second option.
Okay.
Both cannot happen simultaneously. It can happen. Last one it is.
Correct. It basically
Because carbon dioxide can be in form of water vapor also.
no. The concept is that even though stomata is opening, it is not like only water can enter or only carbon dioxide can enter.
Both
Both
can be.
can enter simultaneously. So the option D is actually correct.
So I got out of 4 questions, I got 3 correct. Fourth one I didn't know.
It's
Third
okay.
one I didn't know. Good no, ma'am. See, my
Yeah.
brain is too calculative. It's like that only. I don't know why.
Don't do that. Focus on first. See how many are. you get like finish everything. Don't quantify by marks. See how much you have learned. That's important right now.
Inner chloroplast. Highest
Mm.
number of protons are
Mm.
found in.
Uh,
This I have no clue.
Come on, you know this. Try.
It is not intermembrane space and all.
Mm. What are protons? H
Positive.
plus.
Yeah, H
Yes.
plus ions. H plus
Yes.
ions are obviously found in lumen of thylakoids.
Yeah. So basically, this is H plus is now you need to understand why H plus is produced. Why H plus is produced or how H plus is produced.
It is used as an electron, no. It is used like NADPH plus NADPH gets NADP plus H plus.
Where that H plus is coming from?
Thylakoids.
No, I'm asking H plus is not existing like that simply.
It's coming from
Some
NADP.
reaction.
It's coming from NADPH. NADPH gives NADP plus plus H plus.
No. Think a little more. There's one more process that happens because of which H plus ions get accumulated. And then you get that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, think. You learned it. Very simple. Splitting of water.
Oh yeah, H plus plus OH minus. Shit.
Mm.
Going to
So
cry.
when H plus is formed, so
Splitting of
where
water
does the
comes to
splitting of
photosystem 2. Splitting of water provides electron to photosystem 2.
now my question is where does this H plus where does the splitting of water happens?
Thylakoid, you have told already.
Within the lumen of the thylakoid. That is
Yeah.
the empty space enclosed within the thylakoid. Okay. So here is where the chemiosmotic theory comes in. So what happens actually?
Osmotic hypothesis. Ma'am, you didn't teach me that, I think.
Yes, I didn't teach you. Yeah,
You didn't
that's
know,
what
ma'am?
you. No, I didn't. I was about to teach you. I forgot about it. Yeah. So I'll just take the diagram that's there in your textbook, and I'll tell you what it is.
You have to share, no? Or I'll only share.
Okay, just Google chemiosmotic theory, and then take the diagram. I'll tell you which diagram. It's a textbook diagram. Good images.
Ma'am, but my tutor was also telling NEET will be after August 28th because till now every year Karnataka CET exam is always before NEET exam. Every year, even last year during Corona, full Corona time also, CET exam is always before NEET exam. The CET exam is on 28th and 29th and 30th August. They've announced it, and today they announced it in May when they told board exam postponed, and today the minister confirmed it. So it is there in that time for sure. So he only told me that minister announced, right? He's my friend's uncle. So when I went to his house, he was there. He only told us that NEET exam is there on September 31st. Like that's what they were discussing that time when they decided to keep board exam. Like when that meeting was there, no, so all these higher education ministers had gone. So even he was there in that. So he told that if they're planning to keep board exam, if it's in August, then NEET they plan to keep on September 31st. And it was a Sunday also, and all NEET exams happen on Sunday. Like till now, no NEET exam has happened on a weekday.
Right.
Good no, ma'am. Good analysis. I did know.
Yeah. All these unnecessary thing you do, da. What is
Good.
necessary for you, don't do.
I'm studying also. That also I'm doing.
What are you doing?
I'm studying every day also.
But you're wasting your energy and your brain and everything into unnecessary things that is not necessary. Yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
Okay, so this chemiosmotic hypothesis is actually a hypothesis which talks about how ATP is created. So we saw NADPH is produced and ATP is produced in light reaction. Yes or no? So they tell how ATP is being produced using this one. So there are two things in this theory that you need to understand. Like one is basically the electron transport chain. Okay, so what happens here is that it's actually a combination of your electron transport chain and everything together, and that this ATP is being synthesized. Okay.
Wait, ma'am, what?
Yeah. So I'll tell you, just focus on this particular image. Okay. The two photosystems, that is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2.
Yeah, that we know. First from
Yeah.
2, then it goes to 1.
Yeah. Yeah. So basically in the thylakoid membrane, okay, again you have these particles called as F0, F1 particles. Okay.
Oh,
So
F0 center, F1 center we have now.
yes, we learned this, remember? Yeah. In where did we learn this F0,
They are
F1
in
particle?
photosystem 2.
Hey, F0, F1 photosystem லயா படிச்சோம் இந்த சாப்டர்ல படிச்சோமா நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி?
Oh, no, no, no.
Think it, tell, where did we learn this?
F0, F1, no. I'm
Hmm.
giving.
I already told you respiration.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh.
ரொம்ப நேரம் what
I got it.
Yeah.
They are that ATP thing, related thing, no?
Yes, ATP related what?
ATP synthesis or something.
Okay. Yes, that's what.
ATP synthesis.
Tell me.
They are called some somes. I don't know what somes.
What somes?
Some somes they're called. They're responsible
What
for
somes?
synthesis of ATP.
Mm.
They're called some somes, like chromosomes, ribosomes. They're called some somes. Something, ma'am, give one letter.
Basically, mitochondria.
Ah. But what some is it called, ma'am? Some some it is called, no?
No some and all it is called.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, it's not called any somes. Just a second.
They are present in mitochondria, correct, no, ma'am? But they are not mitochondria. There are some somes, no, ma'am? Some somes.
Contosomes.
Pontosomes are not this, no, ma'am. They are something else, no? They are present in chloroplast.
Contosomes are your photosystems.
Yeah, they are present
Yeah.
in chloroplast.
So basically, we learned in F10, F0 when we studied the structure of mitochondria. So what happens is that this proton will, the H plus ions generally will pass through it. And once it passes through, it will basically that 2H plus is used along with ATP synthase enzyme to produce ATP. Okay, so, oh wow. Oh, nice. I got a personalized chocolate box. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. It was my birthday on Sunday.
Oh, happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah. So same way how that happened there. Okay, here also it's going to be happening the same way. So if you focus on the image, okay, so what according to this theory, in order to prove how ATP is being generated within the chloroplast, okay, they gave this particular theory. So the thylakoid membrane will have photosystem 1, photosystem 2. Can you see? Yes.
Thylakoid membrane, photosystem 2 is here, 1 is here.
And in photosystem 1, your NADP plus will get converted to NADPH. Where is it getting this H plus from? That is the next question. So what happens is that because of the splitting up of water, H plus is more inside the thylakoid lumen than the outside.
H plus is more inside thylakoid lumen than the outside.
Yes, yeah. So
why, ma'am?
Yeah, so because of the splitting up of water. Okay, so the where does the splitting up of water takes place? It takes place in the stroma.
Stroma lamellae.
Non-stroma lamellae. Stroma is basically the cytoplasm of your chloroplast. Okay, so where does that take place? Splitting up of water?
Stroma.
So what will happen? Stroma will have a lot of H plus, yes or no? This H plus is again transported via electron transport chain. That is what is shown as cytochrome there. Can you see?
Cytochrome A, cytochrome B, cytochrome C.
Yes. So this H plus gets accumulated in the lumen of the this one thylakoid.
H plus gets accumulated in the
Lumen of the thylakoid. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So now these H plus will pass through this F1, F0 particle.
Mm.
Now, when they pass through this F1, F0 particle, what is going to happen is that the ADP will get converted to ATP.
Mm. Mm.
This is what happens in a chemia hypothesis theory. This is
Mm.
just a theory to tell like how what is being produced. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Nothing big about it. Now you can.
What is the final conclusion of the theory, ma'am?
The conclusion of this theory only I told you, that is how the H plus comes, from where it comes.
H plus
And
comes
how-
from splitting of water.
Yes, and how that is being used to form ATP.
The H plus converts ADP to ATP in the stroma.
Yeah, in basically not in the stroma, in the thylakoid membrane itself, there is this F1, F0 particles which are present, because of which it happens. That is what they said.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you can go and answer the questions.
Oh, ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah.
I'll show you something. Next year, if they search 2021, no, you know whose photo will come here. Like this, see, ma'am, this will be me. This will be you. My parents
But
will be.
I'm going to kill you.
Need 2021 top.
If you don't open this one in 1 more minute, I'm leaving the meet.
I open, ma'am.
Start answering.
Already here. Immersion enhancement effect and red drop have been instrumental in.
Mm.
Immersion did that half leaf inside, half leaf outside, no?
Mm. Emerson.
Hmm.
Emerson,
No.
that is coal.
Oh, who Emerson did what, ma'am?
The Emerson's enhancement effect and the red drop have been okay. Emerson's enhancement effect and red drop is basically the Engelmann's experiment.
Engelmann did that. Which leaf, which color will absorb more? No,
Yeah.
red and violet. Red and violet, no, ma'am.
What is the answer for this question?
Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. It is not first one.
Mm.
It is not second one.
Mm.
It is not third one.
It's not fourth one. It's not fifth one. So happy.
I feel it's the third one.
Mm.
Because I remember you saying phosphorylation.
So Emerson's effect and red drop have been instrumental.
Non-cyclic is Z scheme, no, ma'am. Non-cyclic is Z scheme. So I think it is option C only.
1 second. So basically, what does this Emerson's effect talk about is how much amount of like how rate of photosynthesis increases in the particular wavelength of light. Like, you know, for one particular chlorophyll molecule in a particular range, like chlorophyll.
Is Emerson nothing but Engelmann?
No, Engelmann's experiment and Emerson's experiment is different. The effect is called Emerson's effect. Okay. Engelmann was the one who told that light is the reason. That's it. But Emerson's enhancement effect tells that the particular molecule works a little efficiently under this particular light. Okay, so this, if you take this one chlorophyll A molecule, it works best under the 680 nanometer or 700 nanometer. That effect is called as Emerson's enhancement effect. Okay. So yeah. And what is this red drop effect? Is red drop effect is like the red light, right? The ones that are towards the end. If you see, that is not, there is a drop in the rate of photosynthesis when compared to the other wavelengths of light. That is what is called as red drop effect. Okay, so basically what did these two things help in discovering? That is what they asked in this question. So you know what they are. Now you should be able to correlate and tell how what did they help in discovering.
I think photophosphor, non-cyclic electron transport.
No, the answer is that these photo systems are operating simultaneously.
Simultaneously. That's what first I was going to tell.
Because if two photo systems are not working simultaneously, then there will be photosynthesis happening only when there is 680 nanometer or only when there is 700 nanometer. But that is not the case. It works under both lights, 680 as well as 700. So that means that there are two different photo systems which are working. That is what you can conclude from this. Got it?
Oh,
Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go for the next question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Mm,
Seventh one.
mm,
A plant in your garden avoids photorespiratory losses.
mm.
If it avoids photorespiratory losses, means it is already it is C3, C4.
It is already C4, correct?
That's all.
Smart.
Like, don't even need to read the remaining.
Exactly, no?
Correct, no, ma'am?
Yeah, correct only. Next one.
I thought for a second you'd be like, I'm kidding. You have to read the whole question. It is actually crucialization acid metabolism.
No, that is heat. I mean, plants in the heat. Yeah.
Water soluble pigments found in cell
Mm.
vacuoles.
Water soluble pigments found in plant vacuoles are.
I know. Anthocyanin.
Uh,
Answer is anthocyanin.
yes, correct. Next one.
Because carotenoids, xanthophyll, chlorophyll are found in chloroplast.
Yeah.
All three correct, ma'am. They're found in chloroplast. Like they're
Yes.
found in plastids, not only chloroplastids, you can tell.
Yeah.
In photosynthesis, independent reaction
Mm.
takes place. Light independent as in light beta. I mean, light you don't need.
Mm.
So that means it's not photosystem 2, it's photosystem. It is a one.
Light independent reaction takes place at. Come on, this is easy.
Inside. Both of them, photosystem 1 and 2 require light, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Lumen, no, it's Stovall matrix.
Very good. Next one, 10th one.
Chromatophores take part in photosynthesis.
Yeah. Next one.
Process that makes important difference is the same question got repeated.
Yes.
Photorespiration.
Very
Except
good. Next
options are
one.
different. Here there's Calvin cycle, here there's transpiration.
What is this answer? 12th one.
It's not going, ma'am. Correct sequence of cell organelles during photorespiration.
Yeah.
Chloroplast, perioxysome, mitochondria.
Excellent. I'm proud of you.
That
Next one.
option is not even given.
Yeah, but they didn't. They have given us chloroplast, mitochondria, and perioxysome. But actually, the answer is chloroplast, perioxysome, mitochondria.
Without even reading option, I've told the answer.
Proud of you. Next one.
1 second, ma'am. Clear. Clear order. Read the following statements A to D. Both phosphorylation and oxidative phosphorylation involve uphill transport.
Mm,
In dicotyledons, new cambium originates from pericycle.
mm,
Stamens of flowers gloriosa and petunia are polyandrous.
mm,
Symbiotic nitrogen fixation occurs free living state also in soil.
mm.
Ma'am, D is correct.
Yeah.
D is correct. D is already correct. I'm just telling.
Okay.
And then phosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation involve uphill transport of protons. Both phosphorylation. No, ma'am. No, first one is wrong.
Mm.
Both don't involve uphill, no, ma'am. Ma'am, I think two are correct.
Mhm. Who's the answer?
But which two?
Like the first one is like polyandrous condition. No.
Gloriosa and Petunia both don't have polyandrous, I think.
They have polyandrous.
Both.
Yeah.
Both.
Yeah.
It is not in this chapter though. It is in this thing morphology, no?
It's a multi-concept question, basically.
Mm.
Mm,
And then last one is correct, no?
Yeah. Okay. Now we go to the, wait, let me just check for some questions which I want you to answer. 56th question.
Ma'am,
56th question.
1 second, ma'am. 56.
Mm.
Zoom out. 1 second. 168 we are at. 169, 170, 171, 49. This is. I don't know why it's not zooming out. Ma'am, I feel like I'm just stuck. Okay, wait, ma'am. I'm just going to next page. 55, 56. Am I in 56? This is 51. Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, where is 56? Got it. I'm not able to zoom out though.
Okay, I'll read the question.
Ma'am,
NADP.
NEDP, I got it. NEDP H2
Ah.
is generated through
Hmm.
photosystem 1.
Okay. 57.
Law of limiting factors.
Yes, who proposed it? We
Two
learned
people.
it.
Two people.
Not two
Hatch and
people.
Slack.
Hatch and Slack pathway is a C4 pathway. What do you want?
Liebig.
No, I have already told you this. Blackman's limiting.
Blackman's law of limiting factors.
Yeah. Now the next question is
Ma'am, what's the law state?
basically there are certain factors which will restrict the photosynthesis, and those factors are called as limiting factors. Like affect the photosynthesis rate. Okay. Now coming to which pigment absorbs red and far red light. Okay, that is easy chapter question.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Which one? Even I don't know.
Carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plantis.
Carbon dioxide acceptor in C3, RUBP.
Okay, very good. Go to 39th question.
39th. Oh. Stomata of SCAM, crucialization artery metabolism. Closed during day, open during day, closed during day.
Okay. 47.
Which pair is wrong? C3 Maser, correct. C4 Kranz anatomy. Calvin cycle PGA. Hatch and Slack cycle. Ma'am, C4 plants have Kranz anatomy, correct, no, ma'am?
Correct.
C3 plant is Maser, correct, no?
Correct.
Calvin cycle is nothing but C2, no, ma'am?
Calvin cycle is C3.
Okay, that PGA then wrong. Third is wrong. Ma'am, OAA is nothing but C3 pathway.
Oxaloacetic acid is formed in C4 pathway.
Hatch and Slack cycle is C3 pathway though.
Hatch and Slack is not C3, C4 pathway.
So that's anyways third option is wrong. No, Calvin cycle is not PGA. C2
Why?
cycle is PGA. C2 no.
Why Calvin cycle is not phosphoglyceric acid? In Calvin cycle C3, right? So which basically that is the first stable component that is formed in Calvin cycle, no? Phosphoglyceric acid.
Ma'am, C3 plant maize is correct.
No, that is wrong.
Oh, maize is not C3.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's where it went wrong. So the answer is A. The remaining things are correct. Okay. So basically, if you see Calvin cycle, RUPP will combine with carbon dioxide to form two molecules of PGA. PGA is basically 3 carbon atom.
Yeah,
That's
and
why
then
the
again one more
cycle
will be
is
there.
called
So
C3.
2 will totally form and it will form 6.
Yes.
Glucose.
Yes. Okay. Then
Do not ask me 49th question.
what is that? One
I
carbon dioxide molecule,
know
the
the
energy
answer.
required.
18 ATP, 12 this thing. Oh, for one CO2 molecule.
One CO2 molecule should be
This thing, 3 ATP, 2 NADPH2.
correct. Very good.
Divide
Uh,
the whole glucose thing by 6, you will get it.
mm, mm,
So this is a one glucose molecule, Calvin cycle operates for 6 times.
mm. Cyclic photophosphorylation results in the formation of 22nd question.
Cyclic photophosphorylation.
Think and tell me.
ATP and NADPH.